Okay, so guys, una good evening. Una they see the visuals and una they hear me so. So I think we are like 8 in class now. Let's wait a bit to see if others can join, like 5 minutes. Right? I believe let's just continue. Time don't go. This already 9:12. So yeah, so let me open our normal website. Let's see. DART.DEV. The blind said this guy no one open today again. So let's open the other channel, DART.CN. If this one no open, let's just do this one. So let's go back to our Chinese this thing. Where translation even there, I think this is it, right? Or this, yeah. Translate. So maybe we'll just continue. This is where we are doing today. We don't do all this part. So this is where we are doing today. Sorry, we don't do this one to save. I think that here we they do will be they arrange this one for the last class. Let me open my VS code. Emmanuel Yeneka. Oyeneke, this is your first time in the class. So have you watched other videos or this is like the 23rd class? Now like this is the 23rd class like this. Where is that website? Una dey hear me at all? I mean, let me know if na dey hear me. Okay, so let me open my screens, my code. So make am big small. Okay, I think this is the best I will go. Yo, network oh. Okay, so okay, the network is back. So let's continue. So let me go live. Make we see where we don't reach. Oof, this is our website fine, sha. So yeah. So oh yes, we don't even put the image and the whatever. We don't put all of them. So look at this one. Yeah. So let me check the CSS to see. So now we property start. Okay. We already flex them. This is a div. This is a div. We already flex this one. So we are doing this first one, right? Okay. Let's work with this side first. So that's B for here. Okay, so so let's work with this, but I think there's a code affecting this guy. It's not supposed to be like this, normal. So I think there is a code affecting it. I come on quick check. Make I just quick check first. We'll see something. So make I check this A. My check what they do this A gone. Exactly. Now this one they affect them. You can see it. The color of that A they affect them. Why? I might check the HTML. We said YT video hash YT video. This is hash YT video. So I think this other code is wrong. Where is that hash YT video? Hash YT video P and A. This one. Because okay, we are saying hash P inside here and then A. No, it should be P inside here and then A inside here. We are supposed to write it out too. So it's supposed to be like this. P that is inside there and the A that is inside here. So take note. Everything don't come back to how it's supposed to be. So now we are good. So first thing first, we'll see how the original one be. There is a padding up, there is a padding bottom. You know they say how be for. So we go need to put space for our own to padding up here, padding bottom here. So and then that will be for our this left hand side, this what do they call ourselves? This other one, this other side. So okay, so this is property items. We have the same name. Okay. Let's do this. I'm going to give this no. There's something I want to. There's an advanced way I know that I want to do it, but I don't want it. I don't want it that way, so it doesn't affect you guys. So let me look at it again. You see, the image started up on this one, so this one doesn't have padding. I can only see that maybe there is space in this place, but this one has padding, right? So let's see. Properties item. Okay, I'm going to give this one left. Let's just use it like that, just like the way we call this one second image ID. So let's give left to this one so that I can use that left to give it padding. So I can do hash property then dot left. That's the left class. Good. So I cannot use it to say, let me say padding, for example. Let's say, or let me just say, let's do it manually first. Padding top should be like 100 pixels. Let's see what that will give us. Of course, you can see we have space in the, we have space up now. Take note, we are giving this div. We are giving this div. Take note. So we have this space here. Look at our own here. This space. I think we should go more. Let's go more. Let's go more. Let's go more. So let's go more. Let's go to padding 200. Okay, Susan Onyeka. We have not even gotten close to responsive design yet. So I won't answer that question because you're asking about the display flex not working well on mobile phones. We have not gotten there yet. We still have like 2 other websites to build before we even learn the responsive website. So pay attention. If you look, even this one, if by the time I view this one on mobile, it will be scattered. So we are doing this thing first. What we are doing is desktop first. Okay, so I think this is okay. And then let's give it padding bottom so that we have space in the bottom too. So let's do the same thing for bottom. I'm going to change it to bottom. Okay. So I think I should just use 110 for each. Okay. Now that padding bottom now is affecting this one, but that's fine. Let's just go on. So let's give it padding left so that it comes more to this side, like this one. More give and padding left so that I think we'll still on this side more. Okay, so padding left. Oh, sorry. Wait till we go give and so. Eh? That one menu. So let's give it more. 210. Okay. While I won't show like this. Okay, so before that, let's arrange this text, let's arrange this image before we keep pushing too much. Let's just leave it here first. So let's work on this image. Let's put the size of this image. Let's pick a proper size. The size of that image would be, we would say left image. We won't say property items because this one to the property item. If we put property item, it will affect this other image too. So let's say left image. So you understand? So it will be like property dot left the image with the inside. So I would say width should be, let's just say 100 pixels. Let's see the size. Hope so now they follow me. Okay, this is the size. Let's see their own. Oh, their own is way smaller. Okay, let's do 50. 50 comes small finish. Okay, let's do 70. Okay, I think this is fine. 70 is fine. Yeah, 70 is fine. Okay, so let's work on this guy. This one is not, their own is now high of ease. That's fine. Let's more change down here. See, I'm high of ease. Good. So let's look at more. What color did they even use here? Let's see. Let's see the color what they use. They use 4A, 4A, 4A. Gabriel, if you know they see the code, pull your, if na phone you dey watch and put time for landscape. Don't watch it on portrait, you don't see anything. Put it on landscape. Okay, so the color of this one is ash 4A, 4A, 4A. Okay, so let's go there. What will be this one? So we'll say H1, right? Let's do, I'll just copy this. Since now H1, we just want to do for, we'll just say H1. So we'll do color would be hash. Is it not 4A, just now 4A, 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 right? Okay. You now see, I say we don't get them. So let's now see the font size. Font size now 43. Ooh. So font size would have 43 pixel. Okay, I think I want to use font family now to that's in comma just now as well. See and there. So yeah, I will use if they go somewhere, they not to look like their own, but that's fine. So because their font size is different. So what else now? Let's work on these guys. We use paragraph for our own, right? So see our own here, each paragraph. So what we see first, let's see how we structured it. 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph. Okay, so for us to get this size, wait, make I this thing like this. Now she say it no wide, so we need to give them width. We need to give the paragraph some specific width. We go feel help us say our own, go wide like our own. So let's do that. Let's come to our style and say, let's copy this again. But instead of H1, it will now be paragraph. Hope so now they follow me. So that paragraph, so we'll now give it width of, don't worry, when we enter responsive design, we know they had code things like in a percentage or in a root EM or EM we use. Okay, so which width will I give it now? Let me say 300 pixels just to see what it will look like. Ooh, you see I'm saying they're very small. But it okay, but this one I don't chop size. Now, this one, when I see this one don't chop size. So there is something I'm going to do. I'm going to give the main div a how do I put this now? A specific width. Watch what I'm saying. Let me show you the HTML. So see this this one, this div, this property left alone that has that white part like this. I go give am width so that it go feel wide like this one. So that as we don't change the width of this one, this one can they come here, can they small. I can't zoom the screen, no. This my code will start cutting. So if you are using phone, put it on landscape on YouTube. Press that icon on the screen. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. Okay, so let's go on. So this left now, let's just walk around. Let's just see. Under this left here, let me give it a specific width of like, let me just say 500 for example, just to see. Okay. When I see shake it on the come out small. So let's see. Let me see if I'm giving the right one. Yeah, left. Yeah. Okay. Let me just find trouble. Oh, okay. See here. So it they work actually, but we didn't give it enough. Mind you, this is not the right way, but we are beginners. We are just checking stuff. So, okay. Okay, I think this works. This image, I think I'm going to make it like 700 too. Okay, so that is big. That's fine. Okay, I think it don't they get sense. They come small. Okay, so let's see. Don't they get sense? Small they come. Let me close this up. But this space for here, but that's fine. Let's just keep going first. What would they go first? I think I'm going to, and mind you, your own measurement, your width might be different. I'm using a 4K screen. So my screen wide. I'm not using my laptop monitor. So I'm using an external monitor. So your own, so your measurement, maybe your own will be like 300 pixels or something. Okay, so let's go on. So mind you, I increase this image here, the size to 700 pixels. So just to fit this 700, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So I'm going to like increase this small, 400. Okay, that's fine. Now the next thing is let's check the font size of the paragraphs here. Let's check their font size. Mostly the size where they use. My English don't too much this night. Okay, they use 18. 18 pixel. Okay, that's fine. So those paragraphs will now be 18. Take note to see the paragraph or here or here. So the font size will be 18 pixel. Yes, I still need that font family, Roboto, and blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, we are getting there. So we have the same font size. Do we have the same text color? The color now gray. The same A4 with the heading. With the heading. So color ash 4A. Okay. I think we are fine. Oh, nice. So now we need small gap. Look at this place. Small gap in between each paragraph. Look at it. Small gap. So since we have 3 paragraphs there, if we give all the paragraph like margin bottom, like just small margin bottom, all of them go shift, go under. So margin bottom like 30 pixel according to my AI. Let's see if it works. So I think 30 pixel is too much, right? It's too much. This one I just small space. Let's use 20 pixel. Hope so when I see they follow me. Oh. 20 pixel. Let's see. Okay, I think this is fine. It's still too much. Let's use 10. Okay, let me see this one. Let's use 15. We thank God for 15. Cool. So I think we are getting somewhere. You can also see that this image and this image, between this image and this paragraph, this heading, there's space. Between the heading and this one, there is space. So let's apply margin bottom to all of them too. So let's go to, where's the image? Now this is the image. Let's give it margin bottom. Let's use 20 pixel for this ones. And then let me still copy it and apply it for that other one. H1 bottom, that's margin bottom. Yeah. So, yeah. I think we're okay. What's the next thing to do now? So, oh, okay. So, if you look, what is that they call them? The links, now the same color with the text. So, our own still get that normal link something. So, we have to fix that. So we'll do every link in, let's say, we'll call the ID of property and say left class and say A. So every link there will be color. The color of the text would be the same thing as the paragraph. So let's copy this color and put it here. So the A inside left, inside property. Fine. So you see, everything. We don't need to do text decoration none because we know they remove the underline. So you see the same thing as their own. You see, they see them. So the next thing we want to do is when we mouse over each paragraph, look at it. All the color should be blue. Let me even see what that color is. What color is that? 1967 D2. Okay, we'll get there. So now how do we do that? We are going to do it, you know, there are paragraphs. So we are going to do it on P, not on A. You are putting your mouse over the paragraph, not the anchor tag. So this is what we'll do. We'll now call the property dot left and then paragraph, then over for paragraph. You see, over works for anything. So we'll now say the color now should be, what will be that color now again? 1967 D2. 1967 D2. Sharp. Let's see if it will work. Hope someone are there with me. Nice. But when I see all our this thing no change. What did they call them? What did they call them? Our anchor tags, they're no change. But until that, we'll fix that. I don't know if it's this night, but let's go on. But is there this thing? Okay. Okay, so it's normal when you mouse over, yes, normal. Okay. So what else? I know nothing. Now they find make I do this animation. No, I no go do one. So what else? What else again? No, what else? We can manage this for now. So let's look at this one small again. We don't to work with this one. Let's now face this side small. This side. So let's see. Sorry, I want to reduce that padding for these ones. Where that padding dey? That padding top and bottom. Let me just use 70 each. Let me use 70 each and see what happens. Okay. So I need to add more width to this entire div. Abi whatever it is. Which is this one. Let's just make it 1000. Worst case. They know the die put. Exactly. Now play we still they play. Or let's do 800. 900. Your own figure go different to become my own screen wide. Okay, so let's shift this one more. See all these bad practices. What would they do? So let's go. Where is that left now for this one? Or let me just okay. Let me increase this one small to like 500. Okay. 600. Okay, and then let me shift it small. Where's that padding left? Let's do 70 to 70. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so now let's now work. There's nothing we are doing with this image. You know, get what we want to do with them. We don't get anything because their own is a little bit bigger. Maybe we should make our own too bigger. Where is the image safe? This is the image. Let's just make it 800 to avoid story that touch. Okay, yeah, it's big now. So the only thing that we need to do is to change the color of this place, the remaining parts, and to get that remaining part is just to do that. We already know that in the div, this is the main div. The image is inside the div. So now just the remaining space we need to call. And how do we do that? It's just to call this class, second image class, and give it background color. It's supposed to work. So let's go to where's that? This place that I see second image. Let me just put it before that one. Second image. B background color. What be that color again, Seth? I think this is the color. Now why no work or no work? Is that not the color? Let me see why it's not working. Or must see where I put them. Second image background color. Okay. I'm coming. I need to check why it's behaving like that. Oh. I want to reduce the image size so that I will actually see that space gone. So why can't I have this my color? Oh, I see. Watch as I reduce the image, and I see the color for here, Abi. When I see Abi, so there is a problem. This div no wide reach here. It's no wide reach here. Now they see while I don't show. No wide reach here at all. So don't know be the div reach here. See where the div reach. So no matter the size, where we even give the div, like let me put it back where that 800. Now here stop, the div no reach here. So what do we do? What do we do, guys? Shege don't come like this. What do we do? What do we do? Now no they talk. We start to start passing attendance around though. The background is not with the first image. Which image? This one or what image? This place is not image. Where are you talking about? Make me understand. Kizito. This place is not the image. You look at it. There is a background color here. We can create another div. We cannot create another div. Oh. No, we know if you create another div, can they give one color now? Okay, this is what I'm thinking. You see all these measurements we will give them, all this all this where's that? Let's go back to our HTML. This first one and this second one, this one and this one. I think we should let's just for now make it responsive. Instead of specifying width in pixel, more use percentage. So from here of the screen, look at where my arrow is to this place is 100%. So imagine I say this one should take 50 and this one should take 50. And I know say now 2 equal half be that. Let's try it. I'm just playing around my brain. Let's try it. This is left now. Let's say width is 50 pixel, 50%. And let's look at it first. So most see what it resemble first. So of course you can see now. Is this a nothing doing? 50%. Okay, so let's now come to this other one. In fact, see now, since we have property items here, property items 2 here, if we give them with 50% to affect the 2. So instead of doing it here, doing percentage here, watch what I'm trying to do. I'm just going to call this class items because now the 2 get them. So where should I even put it here? Let me come here. I'm just going to say dot property items, or let me put it, let me say as property and then property items. So property items with the inside there. This I'm not going to say width of the 2 should be 50%. So meaning if we have 50% here, 50% here, our story is done. Can you see that we have that background now? Now let me remove that background color. See it, oh, let me remove it. So that you, the reason being that we now say this whole side should take 50%. This whole side should take 50% is equal on the screen. But this image is not as wide as that remaining space. So any space that is remaining, that color background that we give the entire div, we take it, we enter. So, of course, we are there. I just needed you people to think. That's why I asked. Okay. So the same thing applies to this one. It's just that this one is on this side. That's just that it is just the same thing applies. This one is on this side. This one is on this side. The same thing applies. And then So this I will not do it because this one, this place, look at it. There is a software running inside the website. We don't need to do it. So, and then the footer. So now, I believe with your knowledge now, you can do every other one here. So look at it. 2, 3. Don't do this place. Don't do this place. So now that is your assignment. Now, so una go do from. See where me I stop from this 35 blah blah blah. Where is it here? So from here. Now remember as we put mouse on top, the image they change, but we can't do that without JavaScript. So that's fine. We will not do it now. So I don't do it here. So you people should complete it. Now the same process. Complete the website minus this try code programming. You know, this place now software they run inside here. So minus this one, complete it. And I will give you till Monday to submit that one. And I'm going to pick one person inside the assignment. You don't know if you are the one I'm picking. And display your own on the screen in the next class live. So that everybody go see them. Also, to start with the pass attendance. So I have another class on TikTok live backend Node.js by exactly 9. So, but that's fine. So, I say 9 by exactly 10. So, any question before you say you don't understand the assignment? Do you understand the assignment? Do you understand the assignment? Say people don't shout Jesus. What did they do? And the same thing we don't do since now. You understand the assignment? Me na answer me. So our next class, I'm going to display somebody's own. And then we'll now talk about some other things deeply into CSS. We'll call the enter CSS more measures, how to create variables and all those things. Professional way of building sites. By that time, we'll build another site. Me na no fear. Na training I dey give una. Solomon look, but you don't do them already. No worry. Osato go submit where and I go submit to an assignment. Make una like the live now. So now not even they like the live now. Wow. Now not even want me YouTube even monetize my account. We also told them make she pass attendance now. Oh yeah, I mean assign assignment. I don't finish for this night. I say me assign assignment, me assign attendance. Also, I've given them assignment. So, and they are to submit latest by Monday 2 p.m. because I'm going to pick one and showcase on Monday class. I don't give them assignment. I then go finish the website. I don't tell them what to do. So take note, Osato. Yes, now you have to do the footer now. I said I stopped here. Let me reiterate again. I stopped here. So do this one. Do this one. Don't do this one. This is a software running inside. Then do this place plus the footer. Okay, no while I'm going off now. See you guys. See you guys. Bye.